Here's the easiest way to turn fennel into a refreshing salad. Thinly slice some cucumber into a bowl. Then do the same with the fennel. Sprinkle in a little sugar and salt. Let it sit for 10 minutes. While that's resting, cut some lemon wedges. And finally chop some dill. Once it's ready, drain off the excess liquid. Now let's make a quick dressing. Add some olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, vinegar, a little honey, and a spoonful of Greek yogurt. Mix everything until smooth and well combined. Spread about 2/3 of the salad onto a plate. Take your smoked salmon, roll it into rose shapes. And place them around the plate. Top with the remaining salad to hold everything in place. Add a few lemon wedges on the side and finish with some chopped dill. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick meals under 30 minutes, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.